Stars and Friends, Episode 6. Thomas, you were having trouble and the trouble trucks. What is the episode on? Thomas had put a figure cookies every incredible. Thomas should like it, but the cookies very much. It was summertime. Episode on. Anyway, Thomas is here with this year when the next time hats. Hold on. One more time, Thomas. When the job is easier, I will get a swing with other soldier and bunch of cutters. Yes, he is, said Tom Hat. He didn't put it out. Anyway, said Tom Hat, I am talking to you. What is it, sir? Well, you even cut this here. You got bunch of ducks in the cars. But, sir, said Thomas, who did put the cookies? Percy gonna go take care of it. Okay, said Thomas. So the top hat is right. Percy will take care of the cookies and shoot shut off. Meanwhile, about dogs. Thomas is a fool. The way you can think about the dogs. You're fool with the trouble trucks. You will got to look with two cars, and banana cars, and the middle cars. So Thomas are coming up in a train. And there was something in one of these Thomas first. Careful, made the Hardy, said Thomas said something. Can't believe with the trouble trucks. You watch it has to be dropping them. Oh, don't worry, said Thomas. I'm careful. But the trucks that hurt this is all the commission. The trucks are said. Let's see what that Thomas said with the trucks. Hey, trucks, on your point. I am with the trucks. Now we get out from the fair, then, and then the puncher house account. I said that great idea, said Chucks. Let's do it so it goes hell. So Thomas said, coming out the cars, and hop away. Thomas did a good job, said that suddenly, he is out to go as hell. Thomas is starting to go as hell. The duck said, alright, hold back, guys. Hold back, hold back. And pass the others. Thomas tried to put his children in the hardest care, but the trucks will hold it back in hard to fought. Stop holding it back, said Chucks. Said Thomas. Alright, said Chucks. I'm not holding it back anymore. Maybe by the time they heard a man's hell. Whew, said Thomas. That's it. Alright, Chucks, now. Oi. Whoa, said Thomas. Stop. Thomas had funny brakes, but the chopper trucks is too heavy to him. Oh no, said Thomas. I'm using me a good derailed. Sure it was. You could shot better head when your engine when we can so fastly derail. So Thomas will see when accident comes. Oh no, said Thomas. You the Thomas spotted brakes, but no use. Thomas hit a pretty good wheelbarrow. Ouch, said Thomas. That hurts. Oh. The way of Yankee, though it hurts. But trouble chucks are what they derailed. And chucks are laugh itself. But trouble chucks are do care. You ain't gonna please yourself. We get out. We get to the Thomas train, he said. Oh man, said Thomas. Water come and help now. My help arrived, and with a cleaner for all this mess. I want know that I come and help. At work, Toby, I beg a help you create that boss. How about how to next word in this Thomas? But Tommy had to not to cross. It just works the wordings. Well, Thomas, I will quite okay. Cheer up, said Tabbyhat. You're not a mess of your fault. That's a serious cause I'll play your tricks are always a morning. I will know about you. Well, I'm gonna put you once. Well, I will talk to you at night. I'll talk to your trucks at night, reader, because it's a big trouble. Thank you, sir, said Thomas. Well, I have to go now. Goodbye, said Tabbyhat. Goodbye, sir. But it's time to know another big mistake again. The end.